What is good, babes? Welcome back to the channel. I am back with another hair review from Nadula Hair. So the last time that I reviewed one of Nadula wigs, I absolutely loved it. So I'm back with a new one again. And child, they even sent me a robe. How beautiful and fly is this? And as usual, I love Nadula's packaging. I mean, they really did their big one on the packaging. I mean, the bag itself is super gorgeous. And the fact that it came with a robe is so beautiful. And in the box, it comes with free gifts. They even give you press-on nails and wig caps, and why the set match my outfit. So yeah, they give you wig caps. Here is the unit here, including a detangle brush and your elastic headband. So I received Nadula's BYEBYE Knots 7x5 pre-bleached yaki straight glueless wig. In the package, it came with the adjustable band so you can adjust it to your liking. And child, come close, let me show you something. And you see this? It already comes pre-plucked. It's already bleached. Look at these knots. Fresh bleached knots. Okay. And this is a glueless unit, so you know what that means. So I'm just taking a little bit of my lace tinting mousse, and I'm using this in the shade light brown, and I'm just going to put this in the closure area, and I'm just going to let it dry for a little minute, and then I'm going to slap this on, and I'm going to show you how to put on this wig with no glue. So now that I have the wig on and I have her secured how I want it, this is the most bombest bob ever. The texture is definitely giving relaxed, and you can part her anywhere. You can part her in the middle, you can part her on the right side, on your left side, wherever you want to part her, girl. It is your prerogative, and we ain't talking about no Bobby Brown. So for me, I am going to part this on the right side. I usually like to part mine on the right side. I feel like that is my good side, so we're just going to part her on the right, girl. And I'm just going to do just a little swoop-de-doop baby hair on the side, just a little bit, and just put in like a deep side part. So yeah, I'll be back when I am done styling the wig. So be sure to stay tuned for my commentary and thoughts on this segment. And if you're interested in the wig that I am reviewing in this video, I will be sure to have the link down in the description below.
I don't know. Turn up. My new bitch look like Halle Berry. She don't love me, she's too scary. My old bitch fun like Jackie Brown. I don't wanna know, but she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no baby. Anytime, it's a me time. Hope you know what you want. Baby, I'll love myself, I don't know. Leave me here, I'll fuck myself. Sit in the mirror, I duck myself. Don't need much, I'm fuck my wealth. Only been a few hours, but it feel like days. Only been days, but it feel like months. Been gone for a year, only went like once. Life move fast and you do what you want. Got this time, girl, where I want. Hope you know what you want.
On the AR, how you did that? Track out, lift up when you take off, how you did that? You put switches up on your blinkies, how you did that? Your LV back turned to a legit, how you did that? I seen that duck turn to a Louis, how you did that? That look like a brand new booty, how you did that? You got face stones and nobody watching, how you did that? You hit some skeletons in your closet, why you did that? How you yelling slash slash, how I kill a cat, yeah. Hopping around in the tutu, make big pillows in the back. Too many rounds in the Philly, acting someone gon' get wet. How you gon' get me when you still owe me? How you gon' do that? Snatch the Ruger bag, give a nigga a yak attack. I get my shooter whack, eating cheese and that's the rat. Go to a special who blow, yeah, I did that. Kick more shit than you know, and she like, I
How you get that shit, you got a romantic on your hoe. Let me back sit, bitch, I'm too rich to drive a road. Pop my shit like plumber, man, gun and diamond flesh. I'm gon' ball out so much, just all grinding for a month. Lil' hop out dump, shit, catch up on the AR, how you did that? Check out lift up when you take off, how you did that?
you put switches up on your blickers, how you did that? Your LV bed turned to a legit, how you did that?
I seen that duck turn to a Louis, how you did that? That look like a brand new booty, how you did that?
You got face stones and love with a watch, how you did that?
You hit some skeletons in your closet, why you did that?
What I do, all I think about is you. Even when I'm with my boo, you know I'm crazy over you.
This is the dress I wore the first night I met you.
Yeah,
You like it? Still?
do that now. Ended things. I did that night.
You're a pervert. Yeah, that's what you wanted to do the whole night.
Yeah.
That's for sure, 'cause I never been.
So here's the finished look. Chill, my fiance, he approves, cause this look right here, I look so delicious. I mean, it should be a crime to look this good. But can we just give a round of applause for this cut? This bob? Shipping and handling was pretty quick. I would say I received my wig within like 7 days. So you get it within like a week. And it's just a simple fact that this wig is glueless. And I did not have to use any glue for this. The texture is definitely giving relaxed to natural blowout straight hair. Definitely 10 out of 10. But make sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And until next time, bye.
Nelly gon' fight over no day, as you can see, but I like your steez, your style, your whole demeanor, the way you come through and holler and swoop me in, to see now that's gangsta, and I got special ways to thank ya, don't you forget it, but it ain't that easy.